Gates open, that up and racing. 9A, Terrible Heart shows alertness at the start by the release Madam Leonora. Terry-Tune, then running in between runners comes Mega Drive, is sneaking in down on the inside is Sabor de Champagne. By the rail is entry number 1, and that's King Aljun. Running by the rail is entry number 5, and that is Simple Beauty as they round a 3/4 mile distance. 9A, Terrible Heart in command by about a length and a half. Running in second is Sabor de Champagne. Running on the outside is entry number 4, Madam Leonora. Racing in fourth is Terry-Tune, then followed by Mega Drive. King Aljun. Next in line is Simple Beauty, Deep Rising. Number 3 is Honestly, then followed over by entry number 10, King's Treasure, and Thrill of Victory is running at the back of the pack as they round the last 600. It's still 9A, Terrible Heart leading the field. Sabor de Champagne remains in second, and down in third is Madam Leonora. Simple Beauty is now closing in with the last 450 more to run. Terrible Heart maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Running in second by the rail, Sabor de Champagne. Simple Beauty pass approaching on the outside with the last 200 meters more to run. Sabor de Champagne now takes the lead by the rail. Running on the outside, Terrible Heart, Simple Beauty. At the last 100 meters more to run. Sabor de Champagne this time by about 2 lengths. And finally, Sabor de Champagne, Simple Beauty, Terrible Heart, King Aljun, Madam Leonora, Deep Rising, Terry-Tune, Honestly, Mega Drive, number 6, Thrill of Victory, and King's Treasure comes in last.